I just found the perfect alternative to one of 10, and the good news is that it's completely free to use. The tool I am talking about is called Glow Labs AI. Right now, this tool is at its beta stage, which is why it is available for free. So make sure to take advantage of it while you still have a chance. To get started, you only need to sign up for an account here. Once it's done, you'll be taken to this page. This is the Glow Labs dashboard, where you'll find a database of hundreds, if not thousands, of outlier YouTube videos. When you click on any video, it will open up the Insights tab. Here, you'll see more info about the video. You'll get the video title, description, and tags on the left-hand side. Next, you'll also see the video performance graph. Next, if you go to this similar video tab, you'll find some other videos that are following this outlier format. This will help you with ideation and find outlier topics for your YouTube channel. Glow Labs is rolling out a lot of features for their users. To test those features, you can apply to their beta access. Simply fill in this form, and then you will get an access to more amazing features. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos like these. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.